Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Okay, y'all, if y'all new to this channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. That being said, you all, I am here to share my Kindle accessories. If you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you would have already saw my Kindle unboxing. And I think I did share my Kindle unboxing briefly in one of my vlogs. I think it was my latest vlogs, you all. Here go Fifi. Y'all already know Fifi is around the corner when I'm filming. I had my Kindle since January the 31st. Y'all, when I tell you, so far, but not a reader like that where I'm just constantly buying books. Now, I was recently purchasing books from Dollar Tree. Like, they've been having like really good read books. The price was more expensive, but once they got the Dollar Tree, they were, $1 and something. They were like pretty good books, like books you would get from Target. They were ever a good read because I never sat down to read a full book from Dollar Tree as of yet. But I will say, since I have this Kindle, I have been reading a lot more. In the book called His and Hers, of a Netflix series. So instead of me watching it on Netflix, maybe one time, if I have the time, I'll go and watch, go ahead and watch the series after I read the book. But let me just tell you, y'all, this book is good, y'all. This book, just let me know, but just don't tell me who's the killer. Like, I'm getting close because ahead and just start sharing my accessories, because everything that I'm showing you, I purchase off of Amazon, and I will leave the links down below for you all, so y'all can go ahead and click my link just in case y'all want to get some accessories like myself. I did purchase a case to carry my Kindle in, because when I first bought my Kindle, of course, I didn't have nothing to carry it in. And so I purchased this. This was like $10. It's just like a pink case. I do keep my SD cards in here. My Kindle do fit nicely here at the top. Even with all of this on here, you can still put it up here in this top pocket. And it do close like so. So just in case your Kindle is a little busy like mine, just know that you can still put it inside of this here case, and it fits, like I said, perfectly. So you do have a pocket here. You do have this here sleeve, and then this here pocket. So I just wanted y'all to see that. Oh, and then you also have a front pocket that you could put stuff in as well. I did purchase myself a screen protector because I didn't want to ruin my screen. It is kind of like plastic, but again, I still wanted my screen protected. So I did purchase this off of Amazon. It do come in a set of 3. So for whatever reason, if I have to change my change my screen, I'll have backup. I did put the screen on by myself. It's not hard. They do give you instructions and give you things to apply it. Like, they give you directions. You have your hard card where you can like push out the bubbles, and they give you, like, in this yellow pack, they give you a cloth. It comes with a cloth and an alcohol wipe. So everything you need to apply, you need to protect your screen protector, is all included in here. And I think this was like under $10. You had Prime. It took like, I think I was able to get it the same day. I did have to pay the extra $2.99, but it was worth it because I got it that same day, because I wanted to protect my Kindle ASAP. So I did get that shipped the same day. Get this from Target. These here are clear case inserts. Now, again, on TikTok, because TikTok made me buy this show. We were talking about Kindles, but we both never bit the bullet and purchased. But as I was on TikTok pushed me. Like, it pushed me off the list to hit and get your Kindle. So I told my friend, I said, girl, I got the Kindle, because we were going to purchase our Kindles last year. But like I said, TikTok made me do it. So I say that to say, TikTok, if you go on TikTok, they also show you how to create your own inserts. And I think you can send them to like CVS or Walgreens to print them out. Now, I didn't want to do all that. I just ended up purchasing some off of Amazon. And like I said, Target. If you are that person that want to create your own, just again, type it in go to TikTok and type it in, and it'll break it down on how to set that up. You have to make sure you put the right size of Kindle you had, because that was my fault, because when I first purchased my screen protector, it was the 6-inch, but I have the 7-inch. Let's get these here 3 inserts. They were on clearance for $209. I don't know where the '09 came from, but they were on clearance for $209. Nothing too fancy, but just cute, you know, just to put inside of your clear case. Take advantage of the things that I'm showing you. Do have to purchase a clear case to go on your Kindle, because if you buy a case that's covered or whatever, you won't be able to see everything. You won't be able to see these things that I'm showing, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Here was like a whole set. I forgot what actually came in here, but I'm gonna just show you everything that I have in here now. A lot of stickers, y'all. Because with the stickers, you don't actually stick it to the Kindle, but you just kind of place them neatly on your Kindle and then put the clear case on there, and it just looks really nice on the back of the Kindle. So I have this pack of stickers, these here stickers, have these stickers. And you all, I also have some more inserts. Now this here came with a few. So I have this one. Like this one, Queen of Books. That's cute, right? So they remind me of like little stickers placed on here. So one of my little card stocks that came with my little, I don't know, little Labubu thing. It came with these here USB inserts. And I have a lot. Let me see. I have a few. So like I have this here bow for flower. So I forgot where I left off, but like I was saying, this pop socket is a game changer. If you have a Kindle, you will need a pop socket. Unless you could just hold it like this and read. But the pop socket just makes it so easy where I can read my Kindle with just one hand. It's so easy to read and flip through the pages. Where Fifi? She left. All right, y'all. I just realized my mic just died on me. So I was in the middle of showing you all my Kindle charms. I did add my own charms to the little pearl charm. So this here heart is what I purchased off of Amazon, because you need something like that in order to attach your Kindle charms. And I did, like I said, added my own. I added my Chanel. I added that little pink flower. And like I said, you do need something like this here to be able to attach the charms to your Kindle, because anybody that knows me, I'm extra, extra, extra. And then I also have these here USB covers. I got like a pack full of those. And then I started talking about the book a little bit. At the bottom of your Kindle, it shows the page you on, and it also shows how much you have read. And I was at 70%. So I kind of read like half of the book, and then I was showing you my Queen of Books insert. Again, I got off of Amazon with my cute heart pop socket. Like I said, you need a pop socket if you have a Kindle. And then I was showing you my sad little library. Like I said, y'all, I am new to a Kindle, so my library will be looking a lot different the next time I upload this here video. So with that being said, I hope y'all enjoy, and look out for part 2, because like I said, my mic just died in the middle of me talking. So with that being said, I will talk to y'all later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.